It's really important to make sure that you unhitch safely and enjoy your camp. I'm just going to let some air out and watch my little bubble drop. Hi guys, it's Daniel here from Conqueror 4x4. It's been a little while since we've been out. We're free from lockdown and we're ready to camp again. We're going to run through a quick video on how to unhitch. It's really simple, but it's really important to make sure that you unhitch safely and enjoy your camp. Come with me and I'll show you how. So let me just sort of show you what I've done here. Really quite simple. Taken the power out, undone the chains, heavy duty chains of course. There's little ringlets on the side where they can hang so they stay out of the way. Taken the jockey wheel off the jockey wheel holder, put the jockey wheel under a piece of wood to give me a flat surface. I don't want to sink into the ground too much. Undone my DO35. Of course my handbrake is on, and I've got 2 bits of wood behind my back wheels just to make sure it doesn't roll backwards. Now usually I'd bring a chock with me because I still, no matter how sturdy a trailer is, I feel more comfortable if the back wheel's chocked. I did forget my chock, so I just put some firewood behind there. So now what I'm ready to do is just simply lift off. This is going to detach me from the car altogether. I'm waiting for the little click to come. As you can see, I'm not very big, but I can do this one-handed. I've got the wheel under the front, taking the brunt of the weight. And now what I'm going to do, make sure my pin's clear, and then I'm going to show you how to level the Conqueror for a nice camping trip. I'm just going to move the car forward a bit and get it out of the way. Okay, car's out of the way. Now this trailer, the great thing is you don't have to worry about leveling it with wheel chocks on either side, but we've got to level it front to back and then side to side. Front to back, we're going to use the jockey wheel. Side to side, we're actually going to use the airbags. Now, I always bring with me my trusty little spirit level. This one's been with me for a long time. If I ever forgot this, I'd probably just grab a half drunk bottle of water and I'd place that up here or get someone to hold it and do it by eye. But I've got to tell you, if you get your levels wrong, it can feel like you're either rolling down your bed or rolling back off a hill. So I like to get it just right. So when I put my level there, it's telling me at the moment that the front needs to come down. So I'm just going to start taking the front down and watch my little bubble drop. There she goes. And, wow, quite a way down. Yeah. I'm happy with that. Front to back, I'm sorted. Now what I want to do is go side to side. So with side to side, I might just turn that around so I can see it a bit easier. I can see here I need to come up on the right side and down on the left. What I might just do, because I'm quite happy with the overall height, I might actually just lower this side. Conqueror has your full airbag controls in your right-hand door. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to let some air out. And what I might do now, because I'm getting pretty low on this side, I might just lift up. There we go. I'll turn my compressor off now. I've just lifted up the right side. So you can see there, that took all of 1 minute. Front to front, I'm really happy. Side to side, really happy. Compressed a little bit of air in my right-hand airbag, lowered some air in my left-hand airbag, and that was just so it wasn't too low in the kitchen. I like it quite low because I'm not very tall, but I don't want it too low. So there you have it. That is how you unhitch, level a Conqueror. I've literally rocked up to campsite and within 5 minutes I'm unhitched and I'm level. Leveling is one of the toughest things to do if you don't have the equipment to help you. So anyway, we'll catch you soon. Thanks.